morning to all. Hope everyone is doing safe. So guys, today I'm going to show you the trapping exercises. Okay, so there are 4 ways to trap the ball with the foot. So I'm going to show you today trapping by foot. Okay, and there are 4 surfaces which we can use. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Okay, so the first one is trapping using your outside foot. Okay, so for like kids who are not good in trapping, okay, they can just pick the ball in the hand. Okay, toss the ball. Okay, toss the ball not so much high. Okay, to the appropriate height. Okay, so toss the ball. Okay, and body bend. Okay, this is outside foot, like my left foot. Okay, now I'm going to show you with the right foot. Okay, toss the ball. Okay, and go like this. Okay, again. Okay, toss the ball and this. Okay, so guys, make sure you're trapping the ball. You're trapping the ball with your outside of the foot. Okay, either left one or right one. Okay, make sure when you're trapping the ball, your knees little bit bent. Okay, body little bit bent, and then drag the ball to the other side. Okay, so this is a technique. Make sure you are using both your left feet and right feet 10 times. Thank you. So guys, the time for exercise number 2. Okay, trapping with the inside foot. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, pick the ball here. Okay, toss the ball little bit. Okay, with the appropriate height. Okay, same, and go. Toss the ball, body bend, and throw them. So guys, there is one more thing which I would like to add in this. Okay, you can paint your opponent. Okay, you can paint your opponent like with the shooting posture. Okay, for example, like you're going to shoot, but actually your main intention is to trap the ball. So what we can do is, that's a progression. Okay, so this is the ball, so I can make a posture of shooting. So one more time with my left foot. Okay, so this one I'm tossing the ball, and so guys, this is my trapping with the inside foot with progression and without progression. Make sure you're using left foot and right foot 10 times. Thank you guys. Okay, so it's time for exercise number 3. Okay, and that's gonna be a trapping with the sole. Okay, so you can see in the matches. Okay, people and players are uses various kind of techniques. Okay, for trapping the ball, and this is also one of the best trapping. Okay, so this is a ball. Okay, you're tossing the ball little bit on the foot. Okay, this one, and go. Okay, so one more time with my right foot. Okay, tossing the ball. Okay, and okay, so again I'm going to show with my right foot. Okay, I'm going further. Okay, towards my cameraman. Okay, so this is my third trapping, which is with the sole. Okay, you're using this part of the foot for trapping. Guys, same technique, body little bit bent. Okay, focus on the ball. Okay, if your focus is on the player, okay, you cannot trap the ball easily. So make sure body loose, little bit bent. Okay, and use your sole part of the foot. So same 10 repetitions each leg. Thank you. So guys, we finally proceeded to the exercise number 4 and last for the day. Okay, and that is trapping with the wedge foot. Means like this one, lace part. Okay, so this is our lace part. We call it wedge also. Okay, so it in this trapping, the only technique is to lose your foot. Okay, so the more light your foot, the more you trap the ball efficiently. Okay, so like just toss the ball, okay, a little bit higher, okay, and toss the ball and toss the ball and so make sure my ball is coming forward, okay. In this third demo my ball goes to the side, okay, which is not good, so I have to do like this, so my ball should come forward, okay. So I'm going to show you with the right foot, okay. Okay, so the basic technique for this trapping is to, okay, trap the ball in front of yourself, okay, to disguise the defender, disguise the opponent, okay. Make sure your body is loose, okay, otherwise if your foot is tight and ball is coming your, so it will go away, okay. So make sure body is loose, okay. Technique, body little bit bent, okay. Use your left or right foot, okay, as per the circumstances, and make the best use of it. Guys, be safe and have a nice day. Bye bye.